Think about a dispatcher at a busy logistics hub right here in Manila. If that dispatcher just tosses a box to a driver and simply says, deliver this, the whole operation is probably going to fail, right? I mean, where does it go? When is it due? Who even signs for it? But if that same dispatcher provides the exact package, a strict delivery timeline, the precise destination address, and the specific method for reporting it as delivered, well, success is practically guaranteed. That exact same logic completely applies to how we interact with Microsoft Security Copilot. In this explainer, we're diving into how to describe the elements of an effective prompt. Because just like a successful logistics operation needs crystal clear parameters to get a package from a warehouse to a customer's doorstep, interacting with an AI requires you to provide the exact right details to succeed. You literally can't just hand Copilot a massive pile of security data and say, fix this. You have to guide it. And we guide it using 4 critical parameters: goal, context, expectations, and source. We're going to unpack each of these, but first, let's make sure we're entirely aligned on what a prompt actually is in this environment. In the simplest terms, a prompt is just the instruction you type into the system to tell it what you want. But officially, Microsoft defines a prompt as the text-based natural language input you provide in the prompt bar that instructs Microsoft Security Copilot to generate a response. Now, if you're getting into cloud security engineering, understanding this is absolutely vital. Why? Well, because the quality of the AI's response depends almost entirely on the quality of your prompt. Copilot does give you helpful prompt books and suggestions to get you started, for sure. But eventually, you're going to need to enter your own custom prompts to investigate specific incidents. A well-crafted prompt gives you highly useful responses, while a poor one just leads to confusion. So let's break down the anatomy of that perfect instruction. If you're preparing for the SC-500 exam, you really need to anchor this concept in your mind. Effective prompts give Copilot the adequate and useful parameters it needs to generate a truly valuable response. Security analysts must include these 4 elements: goal, context, expectations, and source. Think of them like the 4 pillars of a successful AI interaction. If one pillar is missing, the response might wobble. Let's look at the very first pillar. Every good prompt has to have a goal. In everyday language, this is simply what you want to get out of your current session. Officially, it's the specific, security-related information that you need. This could be a direct instruction, or it could be a question. By clearly defining the goal, you're giving Copilot a precise target for its investigation. Without it, the AI might just wander aimlessly through data without bringing back the exact threat intelligence or user activity you're actually looking for. Let's see how this builds with our second element, context. Context gives the AI the why. Why do you need this information, or how are you planning to use it? For example, imagine you're investigating a security alert for a major BPO company. Telling Copilot that you need the data isolated to a specific 24-hour timeframe, or explicitly stating that you're gathering this info for an incident report, helps Copilot understand the exact scenario it's operating in. It narrows the focus from everything that ever happened, ever, to what happened right now that matters to this specific report. Next up is expectations. This is all about how the output should look. In security operations, you rarely just want a giant wall of text. Depending on who you're reporting to, your expectations are going to change. You might specifically need the data presented in a clean table format so you can export it easily. Or maybe you need a quick list of immediate action steps to hand right over to your mitigation team. You might even need a high-level summary for an executive, or a diagram to visualize an attack path. Telling Copilot your expectations up front saves you from having to manually reformat all that data later. Finally, we have the source. This is where you tell Copilot exactly where to look. You might specify known information, specific data sources, or particular plugins. And this illustrates a totally key strategy. Specifying Microsoft plugins is critical, especially when initial responses fail. Sometimes, the AI just needs more context or supporting plugins to work effectively. By telling it, hey, use this specific Defender plugin, you're pointing the AI directly to the correct filing cabinet. All right, prompting tips, best practices for clearer instructions. Being specific, clear, and concise is the golden rule when writing your own prompts, so let's look at how to actually apply this. Consider a really basic prompt like Pearl Sleet Actor. That is incredibly vague. Copilot might just spit out a Wikipedia-style summary of who they are. Now compare that to a much better prompt. Can you give me information about Pearl Sleet activity, including a list of known indicators of compromise and tools, tactics, and procedures? You see the difference there? The better prompt applies a specific goal and clear expectations. It doesn't just ask for an identity, it asks for actionable security data, those indicators of compromise and TTPs. It dramatically improves the technical value of what you get back. Here's another comparison. The basic prompt says, summarize incident 15134. Again, it's a start, but it really lacks direction. The better prompt, though, says, summarize incident 15134 in Microsoft Defender XDR into a paragraph that I can submit to my manager and create a list of entities involved. This right here is a masterpiece of a prompt. It provides the source by specifying Microsoft Defender XDR, which narrows down where Copilot looks. It gives context and expectations by stating it needs to be a paragraph for a manager, and it even adds an extra expectation by asking for a list of entities. It perfectly tailors the output. This next scenario highlights a fantastic best practice, giving positive instructions. A basic prompt just asks for a list of unmanaged devices in the network, but the better prompt asks for high-risk unmanaged devices, and then adds a really crucial instruction. If they're named test, remove them from the list. Copilot is heavily geared toward action. Instead of telling it what not to do, it's so much more productive to tell it exactly what it should do when it hits an exception. Tell it to remove the test devices rather than just telling it to ignore them. Here's a quick but incredibly powerful technical tip straight from the source material. When you're writing your prompts, directly address Copilot as you. Say things like, you must cross-reference this data, or you should summarize this. It's actually been proven that addressing the AI directly with you is more effective than referring to it in the third person, like the model or the assistant. It sets this really clear instructional tone that the AI processes way more efficiently. And you know what? You're rarely going to get it absolutely perfect on the very first try, and that is completely fine. This brings us to the crucial concept of iteration. Step 1, start simply with your first prompt. Step 2, review what Copilot gives you back. And step 3, iterate and try other versions to clarify what you need. Because Copilot is an LLM-based system, it can actually respond to the exact same prompt in slightly different ways on different days. You just have to continuously refine your instructions, injecting more details from our 4 core elements to get closer to your ideal outcome. Ultimately, you're not locked into some rigid robotic structure here. Microsoft Security Copilot is specifically designed to understand natural language, your own words. As Microsoft highlights, you have the flexibility to adapt these guidelines to your specific needs. The goal, context, expectations, and source are your framework, but the conversation is entirely yours to lead. So, thinking about the specific security challenges in your own network right now, when you sit down at your terminal tomorrow morning, what's the very first custom prompt you're going to write to uncover the threats hiding in your data?